আচ্ছা, এটা জিপির ক্লাস, জিওমেট্রিক প্রোগ্রেশন। আর কিছু ডাউট পরে আমি দেখছি। আগে জিপিটা ক্যালকুলেট বুঝিয়ে দিই। জিপি মানে হচ্ছে রেশিওটা সেম হবে। রেশিও একটা সিকোয়েন্স, যেমন ধরো 2, 4, 8, 16 আছে, মানে 2, 4, 8 আর 16 are given here. Now see the ratio of 4/2 is equal to 8/4 equal to 16/8. I mean to say second term by first term is equal to the third term divided by second term, and fourth term divided by third term are equal. This is 2, and this ratio are called common ratio. Common means same হবে. If ABC are in GP, geometric progression, then we have B by A equal to C by B. As you see, the ratio are same, second by first equal to third by second. So you got B square equal to AC. Let us assume a series by sequence of a GP sequence. Let first term be A and ratio be R. Then this is the second term AR. I mean to say this by this, see R, and also the third term be R square. मतलब product of this term by R, then we got AR square. Again product of R, then we got AR cube. And this is the systematically first term, second term, third term and fourth term. See, this by this equal to this by this equal to this by this, and ratio are same. And fourth term, the power of R is 3, and respect to the term, number of term, this is the number of term, this one less. And see here, this is the third term and power is 2, and this is the second term, power is 1, like that. Therefore the nth term be, if n be the number of term, then power be n minus 1, so one number is less. And that's why the nth term of a GP be A into R to the power n minus 1, whereas A be the first term, R be the common ratio, and n be the number of terms, and Tn be the nth term. Tn is the nth term. And see, then in the formula, if we place in place of n by 4 means fourth term, so we can put in this number by 4 minus 1, this is 3. So fourth term means A into R to the power 4 minus 1, that is third term, fourth term, A into R cube, and C are A into R cube, this is the fourth term. Okay. And 10th term, like the 10th term, T suffix 10, A into R to the power 10 minus 1 into A into R to the power 9, this is the 10th term. Often some problem, you have given three numbers. In respect to that, you can always assume a number like A by R, AR for the three numbers. In the question of three number jodi thake problem ta, we can assume a number A by R, AR. And for the fourth term, only fourth term, find fourth term. So A by R Q, A by R, AR Q. Okay. এগুলো মনে রাখবে, করে কাজ করবে। And now, if we add this, the nth number of term, then what is the formula? Let's see. Let S be the sum. A plus AR plus ARQ, AR square ARQ, and this is the nth term, A into R to the power n minus 1. Then previous term be A into R to the power n minus 2. So now this series product by R, then we got A into Sn, R into Sn. So in that term, if we multiply by R, we got AR. In that term, if we multiply by R, we got AR square. So one term is skipping from the first to the second position for cancel these two terms, this term and this term also. If we again multiply this term by R, A into R to the power n minus 1, and place it at this position, and also if we are multiply by this R by this term, we got A into R to the power n. And see here, except A and A into R to the power n, these two terms are not cancelled out. Middle, all the term AR, ARQ, AR to the power n, AR to the power n minus 1, all are cancelled out if we subtract from first equation to the second equation. Then we have left A minus AR to the power n. And see here, we do the subtraction and taking common Sn from this part. So we got one Sn into within bracket 1 minus R. So here is also taking common A from this, A into within first bracket 1 minus R to the power n, and Sn equal to divided by this. This formula should be applicable for sum when R is less than 1. And see here, this is same as formula, taking common minus both numerator part, then you got a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, and it should be applicable when r is more than 1. But both formula are same. Okay, and see here GM means geometric mean. Let the two numbers be given here, a or b, and here are n between the a or b, the nth mean here, and middle number of this number are called mean, as the series of the number are in GP. So these middle number are called geometric mean. Okay, and here given that the n mean, the total, therefore the total number of term in this series is n plus 2, and first term here is a, first term here is a, first term b, এটা কত আছে a, and let r be the common ratio, and let b be the last term. This is the n plus 2 term. So a into r to the power n minus 1. N minus 1 means n plus 2 minus 1, and equal to b, and dividing by a. So r is equal to b by a whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. And if we find the first mean in that series, first mean be the second term of this series. So first mean equal to the second term. Second term is a into r to the power 2 minus 1, and put the value of r is this, got the first mean. And last mean, see here, if b be the some number of terms, then the previous term be b by r. And let's see here, if the term be a into r cube, then previous term be this term divided by r, and also previous term of this be this term divided by r. So if be a number, be the nth term, then n minus 1 term be divided by r, a into r to the power n minus 2. Same as b be the number, then its previous term be b by r. So that's why last mean, this is the last mean, you see here, last mean, so b by r, r means b by a whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay. You have given the series 5x, y, z, 4, 0, 5. These 6 size number are given, and x, y, z are unknown. So find the value of x, y, z. In that series, x be the second term, y be the third term, or z be the fourth term, and a be the first term, that is 5, and 405 be the fifth term. Fifth term be a into r to the power 5 minus 1 equal to 405, and value of a is 5. Put the a. Then r to the power 5 equal to 81, r to the power 4 is equal to 81. 81 means 3 to the power 4. Therefore r equal to plus minus 3. If you take the value r equal to plus 3, then the value of x means second term. So x is equal to t2 into a into r to the power 2 minus 1, a into r, that is 15. Then the third term be multiple of that term. Third term be multiple of r, 3 into 5, that is 45. And third term means t3, that is y, a into r to the power 3 minus 1, a into r to the power 2, a means 5, r means 3, that is 45. Like that, we can also same as find the value of z. And now question number 4. You have given that the first term be a, and third term be the square of first term. Third term be the square of first term. So this is the condition which I have given you. So third term t3 is equal to a into r to the power 3 minus 1, and that is equal to a square, and a into r square equal to a square, and cancel out both the side by a, by divided by a, we got a equal to r square. And also given that fifth term is 729. So a into r to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 729. And now let's see here, the equation a into r to the power 4 equal to 729, and value of a, and equation of a is equal to r square. Put the value of a, that is r square, r to the power 6 is equal to 729, 3 to the power 6. Then r equal to 3. It will be plus minus 3. Now you take a equal to 3. Then a equal to 3 square, that is 9. Now we see that the c is a r square, a r cube, a r to the power n, like that. That is the value of a is the 9. 9 into r is what 3. R is 3 here. That is 27. That is 81. like that. Okay. And question number 6. Of a GP series, the first sum of 8 terms is equal to 5 times of the first of sum of 4 terms. Okay, and that's why the formula of sum of 8 times a into r to the power 8 minus 1 by r minus 1, and 5 times of the sum of the first 4 terms a into r to the power 4 minus 1 by r minus 1, and simplify this equation, and we got r equal to root 2, r equal to plus minus root 2. Okay, therefore the value of r is root 2 plus minus root 2. Okay, this is your answer. Question number 5. Find the 3 numbers which are in GP and whose sum is 19 and their product is 216 are given you. And let be the 3 number in the pattern of A by R, A, AR, which is in theorem I have given you. And from by the given condition, their sum, this plus this plus this equal to 19, taking common A from within the first bracket, and equal to 19, and their product, this into this into this, equal to 216, and cancel out the value of R, and AQ equal to 216, that is 60 by 3. Then we got A equal to 6, and put the value of A in equation number 1 by 6, then got this equation, and simply we can find the value of R, and also value of A here is 6, so the number be A by R, A, AR, put the value of A and R of these 3 numbers, and this is your answer. And question number 5, some part hoga शायद. So let us assume be the 3 number, for 3 number you are given A by R, A, R, and sum is here 21, and sum of their square is 189 you have given. So by given condition, A by R, A, AR is equal to 21, taking common A is this, and let us assume x is equal to r plus 1 by r, and 1 by r plus r is equal to x. So A into x plus 1 equal to 21, and square of the 3 numbers be 189, so taking common A square, and see r square plus 1 by r square, we have to write that. Okay, x square minus 1 equal to 189, and solve 1 and 2 both the equation like that. This is 1, so A equal to 21 by x plus 1, put the value of A here, we see here, simplify, the value of x here is we have 5 by 2, and the r equal to r plus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 can be written as 2 plus 1 by 2, and we got the value r equal to 2 and half. All of you are can be solved by the middle term factor also, and put the value of x here, we got the value of A, and solve it. Okay, and this is the problem on AP. Some students give me, and here I given the question number 13 in AP chapter. A1, A2, A3 and dot A2K are in AP, and we have to show this series be this. Okay, and let's see A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 dot A2K minus 1, that is be D, say this is a difference, common difference, and now we have to the value of this series equal to this, we copy this term like that, and factorize A plus B, A minus B, A plus B, A minus B, A plus B, A minus B, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, and taking common D, these are all D, this is the minus D, this is the first minus second. We have later A2 minus first, second term minus first term be D, same, then A1 minus A2 be minus D. Okay, that's why is minus D, and taking common minus D from that. Okay, see here, this is the sum. And this is the sum of this formula is n by 2 A plus A, n by 2, total number of term had 2k by 2, and this is the first term A1, and last term be A suffix 2k. Okay, and now we have to written for the last term A 2k is equal to first term plus n minus 1. Here we see that the number of term be 2k, so 2k minus 1 into D, so you can find the value of D here, D is this, and put the value of D in this position. Okay, then we got the answer. See here. Okay, thank you.